In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to dynamically change Power BI legends with parameters. This skill is incredibly useful for anyone looking to make their data visualizations more dynamic and user-friendly. By the end of this guide, you'll have a better understanding of how to create a flexible and interactive dashboard that can adapt to various insights. First, let's open Power BI. Power BI Desktop is a powerful tool for data visualization and needs to be installed on your machine. Upon launch, you'll be greeted with the Start page, where you can either open an existing report or start a new one. Ensure that your data model is loaded, as you'll need it later to create field parameters. The next step is to enable field parameters. To do this, you need to head over to the Options menu. Click on File at the top left corner, then navigate to Options and Settings and select Options. In the Options menu, look for Preview Features under the Global Settings and make sure that the Field Parameters option is checked. Remember, enabling this feature is crucial, as it allows you to dynamically change the legend based on parameter selections. Once you have field parameters activated, it's time to create a new field parameter. Navigate to the Modeling tab located on the top ribbon, and you'll find New Parameter as an option. Click on it and then select Fields from the drop-down menu. This opens up a dialog box that lets you specify which fields you want to include in the parameter. For instance, if you want to switch legends between product category and region, you should check these options within your data fields. This enables you to shift perspectives in the visual seamlessly. After you've created the parameter, the final step is applying it to your visual. Head over to the report view and select the visual where you want the legend to change. In the Fields pane, locate the parameter you just created. You'll notice that it behaves like any other field. Drag this new parameter into the Legend area of your visual. Now within the report, you should see a slicer that allows users to switch between the different field options you've included. And there you have it, a dynamically changing legend in Power BI. With this setup, anyone viewing your report can easily interact with the data and uncover different insights without needing to manually change the visuals themselves. This not only makes your reports more interactive, but also highly adaptable to various analytical needs. Remember to save your work continuously to prevent any data loss. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope this tutorial has empowered you to enhance your Power BI reports with dynamic legends. Happy reporting!